go. When I go to sleep, I leave my tooth in a box on the bedside table. I hope Elraton, the magic mouse, will take my tooth and bring me some money. He leaves more money for a front tooth. Japan. If I lose an upper tooth, I throw it in the dirt. If I lose a lower tooth, I throw it on the roof. My new tooth will come in straight. Dominican Republic. I throw the tooth on the roof at my house. So a mouse can come take it away and bring me a better one. Sometimes I get money when I do this. Jamaica. At night, after my tooth falls out, the rolling calf comes, rattling chains to take my tooth away. I put my tooth in a tin can and shake it hard. The noise that keeps the rolling calf away. My mother tells me to throw my tooth outside and say this poem. Lovely birds, dear birds, take this tooth of mine and bring another one. The birds all take clean teeth, so I must brush my teeth every day. South Africa. I leave my tooth in the slipper inside my room. Tonight an master come take my tooth and leave me a gift. I wear my tooth and bread and give it to an animal, preferably to a mouse. They have sharp teeth that grow quickly. If I give it to a dog, I might get ugly yellow dog teeth. If I do something like pillow, a mouse, a petite soul will come to take it and leave it for me. Florida. I turn to the roof and say, Mr. Moon, please bring me a new tooth. Sri Lanka. I close my eyes and say, Squirrel, squirrel, take this tooth and give me a new one. Then I throw the tooth on the roof and run into the house without looking. Wait a minute. I throw the tooth passes on me and say, bring me a new tooth. My father tells me that I have a bright smile because my teeth come from the sun.